We have all kinds of great merchandise for sale. You are allowed to cheer and boo here. I apologize if you're at entertainment. We do not condone the action set forth by King Cola. The sign factory's open for business. Don't be afraid to cheer or boo. Talent is not supposed to put their hands on you. I apologize. We have great merchandise for sale. It'll be around to the end of the night. This is Chavs, what's up? We had a tournament to have qualifiers to be in the first ever Triad Championship match at our biggest event of the year, Elite Forever 2. That match was between Caveman Chad, Juan Francisco de Coronado, and Mr. Touchdown Mark Angelo Setti. Those two have not settled their score yet. Steve Chaz calls for the bell. We are underway. Caveman Chad winning the first ever Collision Division Triad Championship match. And now he defends the gold tonight at New Business for the very first time. Leapfrog, and what an arm drag from the Caveman. And Bobby the Body Shields with a deep arm drag of his own. Matt Macintosh with an arm drag. It's an arm drag fest. Wow. Oh man, we're not even a minute into this match. Bobby the Body Shield.
You're not a team. And you know how I know you're not a team? Because I heard earlier, Caveman said that your tattoos suck. And Caveman might look at a woman with your long hair. Now, hold on, guys. Hold on. Matt said that you still work.
I think Bobby the Body's trying to stir up the pot here.
He also came with beer.
Well, Bobby the Body Shields, he gave me the longest entrance to introduce him in the history of mankind, and then he gets on the microphone and starts trying to cause a little trouble, but I don't think it's working. He was trying to break up this temporary alliance of Caveman Chad and the Bad Apple, Matt Macintosh. Remember, the Collision Division is all about triple threat matches. That's the only way the Triad Championship is defended. And in that format, the champion need not be pinned or submitted to lose this title. So those alliances are just that, temporary alliances. Sometimes you got to team up temporarily to get the advantage, but then you can stab somebody in the back just as easily. Right now, Caveman and Macintosh, they understand these rules and they're battling it right now. Collar and elbow, tie-up, jockeying for position, trying to work the arm right now. Top wrist lock right now from the Bad Apple, Matt Macintosh. We've seen Matt Macintosh have some great battles against the likes of Will Ferrara, as well as the selfie superstar Too Hot Steve Scott here at Elite Wrestling. More than worthy of this opportunity at this coveted Triad Championship. This is what the Collision Division's all about. High-flying, fast-paced action. Bobby the Body Shields, he is just outside right now. They took care of him. Oh, he picked the spot, he picked the ankle, and now he wants a pass. He wants a piece of the Bad Apple. Ankle pick after ankle pick here. Oh, and Caveman says, no more for you. And he stomps on his little phalanges. Irish whip off the ropes. Clothesline ducked. Macintosh catches him. Oh, and a tilt-a-whirl backbreaker from the Bad Apple. Could he be moments away from the championship? Hooks the leg, but no. Only a 1 count. The match continues. What a hellacious move. Credit to Caveman Chad for kicking out. And on a 1 count, have you? Bobby the Body Shields not impressed. This man came here straight from the gym, so he's already all pumped up. He's got a couple of protein shakes in him. I thought I smelled that in the locker room. 1, 2, does he get him? But no. Only Only a 2 count. Remember, the champion Caveman Chad outside the ring need not be pinned or submitted to lose his title in this format. That's what makes the Triad Championship, that's what makes the Collision Division so intriguing. Oh, and Bobby the Body sends Macintosh right into the gut of Caveman Chad. Bobby the Body now flexing away while putting that knee right into the back of the head, choking out Matt Macintosh over that second rope. Steve Chaz doing a good job paying attention to hair pulling here. We want a fair, decisive winner in this. Catches him and spikes his head right into the canvas. We got a new champion right here, Bobby the Body Shields, but no. And Caveman Chad, he is legit hurt on the outside over here in front of the ladies in the front row. Looks like he's coming to his senses. The woman in the front row speaks Neanderthal, I think. She's communicating with Caveman Chad right now. I don't know what she's saying to him. Wait, does everybody speak Neander but me? Was there a class I missed? Is Hanover Potential giving out free lessons? Right now, it looks like Matt Macintosh is calling for free shots on Bobby the Body. Caveman Chad sees it. Oh, the crowd's behind him. I don't know what he's doing. What just happened? Where'd the caveman go? You can't rationalize with a caveman. You know why? Because he's a caveman. I always feel like somebody's watching me. There he is. He came from the other side of the ring. What the heck? And he just hits Matt Macintosh with a huge lariat. Bobby the Body Shield right there to capitalize. He's got the champion covered. Hook the leg. Does he get him? But no. Only a 2 count. What a match. The action continues. Welcome to Elite Entertainment. Welcome to the Collision Division. Welcome to the fight for the Triad Championship. And there's a baseball slide and a beauty from Bobby the Body taking out Matt Macintosh once again. The bad apple just gets squashed on the outside. And another backbreaker now. Bobby the Body in firm control. Now he's just mocking the crowd. Oh, come on. And a closed fist right to the cranium of this Neanderthal. Once again, a near fall. He's got him in a sleeper. He wants to put Bobby the Body to sleep. Macintosh is on the outside. He's hurt. This could be the opportunity now. Bobby the Body. Could he win his first Collision Division Triad Championship? The bad apple trying to regain his bearings on the outside. He's a little discombobulated right now. Picking his spot, he's creeping on them. Caveman Chad now fighting out of this sleeper. He's on up to one knee. He's feeling the energy of the crowd. And now it's a side headlock applied to Bobby the Body Shields from Matt Macintosh. Oh, it's a rear chin lock rather. Look at that. Chad. Steve Chaz is in quite a predicament right now to see whose hand he should tap out here. He's going after the Caveman, I think. No, he's going after Bobby the Body. No, he's going after Caveman. I think he's going back and forth over here. It looks like Caveman Chad's fighting out of Bobby the Body. Bobby the Body fighting out of Macintosh. Last ditch effort. Look at the double jawbreaker. Everybody's down. This Triad Championship match continues here at Elite Entertainment New Business. Oh, and there's a stiff headbutt from the Neanderthal, the Caveman. And now it's Macintosh fighting back. All three men on their hands and knees. They look weathered, worn, beaten down. All for a shot at one of the biggest prizes in our business today, the Triad Championship. Macintosh now back and forth and back to each of these opponents. Punch after punch and a clothesline to Bobby the Body shows. Another axe handle smash now. He picks up Bobby the Body. Oh! Boom! And he just lands him in the corner. Sets him up for a Triad. Whoa! And look at this. As Bobby the Body's trying to fight out Macintosh. Oh, whoa! And a delayed low-angle drop kick right to the nether regions. And there's a drop kick right to the face, right to that luscious beard of the Caveman. He just knocked the beard butter right off the beard of the champion. And now Macintosh, he looks to be on his way to his first Collision Division Triad Championship. He sidesteps the champion, and there goes Caveman right into that solid steel ring post. Macintosh now. Oh my God. Oh, what a move! German gets him right here. Ah! What a combo breaker. That bridging German suplex, just not enough to secure the Triad Championship. What does the Bad Apple gotta do? How close does it get? Doesn't get much closer than that, folks. Action you can only see here at Elite Entertainment. Like us on Facebook, Elite Wrestling, Elite Entertainment. Man, oh man, oh man. Bad Apple's feeling it, but he gets caught up on the shoulders of Bobby the Body. Death Valley Driver, new champion. Oh my Lord. Say what? Steve Chaz said two. Wow. Goes for that roaring elbow. But now Bobby the Body's got him caught. Caveman Chad fights out of it. Clothesline duck from the champion. Roaring elbow. Is it going to be enough to secure the victory? Oh, we see Macintosh over here. Caveman's hitting his cranium. You know what that's the signal for? If he hits it, it's going to be over. But Macintosh sees it. Stiff forearm smash from Macintosh. The Bad Apple. He's not giving up without a fight. They're fighting in a peculiar spot, but that headbutt sends Macintosh for the ride. Oh my gosh. It's just the Caveman with his sights set on Bobby the Body. A headbutt, and he gets him! Flying headbutt. And forget about it. Wrestling Collision Division Triad Champion. Martinez being forced to defend his Elite Wrestling Championship against his ominous newcomer, simply known as Preacher. But for right now, it's all about Caveman Chad. Enjoy your moment, young man. You earned it. We are Elite Entertainment. This is new business. We're going to intermission. Our explosive second half comes up in just a little bit.